Today, we will explore the most frequently used phrases in stand-up meetings Part 2. Updating on progress. The project is on track with specific milestone. Example, the project is on track with the completion of the prototype. We have made progress on specific aspect of the project. Example, we've made progress on integrating the payment gateway. We have hit a milestone with specific achievement. Example, we have hit a milestone with the successful migration of user data. Planning and next steps. Today, I will focus on specific task. Example, today, I will focus on finalizing the user documentation. My next steps are. Example, my next steps are to prepare the deployment scripts. I will be working on task until expected completion time. Example, I will be working on the performance optimization until noon. Closing the meeting. Does anyone have any additional updates or concerns? Are there any other issues we need to address? Let's make sure we are aligned on our goals for today. Thanks, everyone. Let's keep moving forward and update each other if anything comes up. Asking questions. Does anyone need help with specific task? Example, does anyone need help with the API documentation? Does anyone have questions about what was discussed? Example, does anyone have questions about the new feature requirements? Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning.